Welcome to another Fix It with Kronk. This is a little quick tip. Doing a basement renovation here, adding drywall and so on to our basement. And we placed the ceiling lights where we wanted to put them. But the way that we decide to find, or the way that we can find where they are afterwards, is our project paper that we placed on the floor to cover the carpet squares. I used a plumb bob to identify a placement location directly underneath where my light fixture is going to be. So once you hang your drywall and get it all spackled and ready to go, you can use the same plumb bob and find your marked hole or marked spot on your paper, mark the ceiling, and then easily cut your holes with a hole saw. More on that to follow. So here's a contraption that I made for cutting hole saws and catching the majority of the dust. It's an old Tupperware cake pan, or a cake cover, I guess. You can pick these up at thrift stores or places like that. You could also use a bucket, cut a bucket off. What I did was I used a hole saw to cut a 3-inch hole or maybe a 2-inch hole in the bottom here. And then to cut the holes, I just mount my hole saw inside and my drill outside. And when I drill my holes, I push the container up against the ceiling and it captures most of the dust. And you can see that my catcher is catching a large majority of the dust almost through the hole. Hole neatly cut. Not a whole lot of dust on the floor. Thanks for watching another Fix It with Kronk. See you on the flip side.